What if a garbage dump could be transformed into a green urban asset? In Raichur, Karnataka, a 35-acre dump site at Yakalaspura is being transformed through scientific legacy, waste remediation under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0. So far, 62,252 metric tons of legacy waste have been processed, and nearly 22 acres of urban land have been reclaimed. The restored site is now being developed for sustainable land use, including a Miyawaki forest. The Yakalaspura site had accumulated municipal solid waste over several decades. The garbage occupied valuable urban land and created environmental and public health concerns, including leachate generation, foul odor, and pollution affecting nearby communities. To address this, the Raichur City Corporation undertook a scientific legacy waste remediation project. The result has been significant. 62,252 metric tons of waste have been scientifically processed and remediated, while nearly 22 acres of land have been reclaimed. This has reduced environmental risks and improved the surrounding urban landscape, but the transformation does not end with removing the garbage. Raichur has adopted the concept of toxic waste to ecological wealth. On the reclaimed land, plantation activities began on the 5th of June 2026, and a Miyawaki forest is being developed across approximately 5 to 7 acres. The initiative is being undertaken in collaboration with Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited and New India Space Limited. A total of 60,000 saplings have been planted. The plantation includes bamboo and other native species, and the forest is expected to be established within approximately 1 year. These plantations are expected to contribute to soil restoration, carbon sequestration, biodiversity enhancement, and improved air quality. The transformed site was inaugurated on World Environment Day, the 5th of June 2026, highlighting the importance of the project for urban environmental sustainability. Why is the Raichur example important? Because urban waste management is not simply about collecting and transporting garbage. Cities also have to address the enormous challenge of legacy waste accumulated over years or even decades at old dump sites. Scientific remediation can convert such environmentally degraded sites into productive urban spaces. For UPSC aspirants, this is an important case study for GS Paper 1, GS Paper 2, and GS Paper 3. It connects with urbanization, solid waste management, environmental pollution, urban governance, ecological restoration, and sustainable development. It is also relevant to Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0, circular approaches to waste management and the challenge of making Indian cities more sustainable. The larger lesson from Yakalaspura is simple. A dump site does not necessarily have to remain a permanent symbol of urban pollution. With scientific remediation, effective urban governance, and ecological restoration, degraded urban land can potentially be transformed into a productive environmental asset. From waste to land, from land to forest, from pollution to ecological wealth. The Raichur model demonstrates how urban waste remediation can become an instrument of sustainable urban development.